Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device so repairs succeed. First, make sure battery and connectivity are stable. You risk interruption otherwise. Once done, create a quick backup via Google Backup or Account Sync so settings can be restored if needed. Next, reproduce the crash briefly, then open App Info for the Settings app. Force stop it and clear its cache to remove transient corruption. If the crash persists, reboot into safe mode to rule out third-party interference before moving to deeper. Now you handle persistent corruption by removing faulty data. First, clear cache and then clear storage for settings and for system UI. This resets app data without erasing user files. If that fails, boot to recovery and wipe the system cache partition. This removes low-level cached system files that can break settings. Make sure to reset app preferences next to restore disabled components. Only after these steps should you consider a factory reset, because that erases all personal data. To finish, perform a factory reset only if prior steps failed. Confirm your backup, and then use settings or recovery to wipe and restore the device. After restoring, immediately install all system updates and carrier or vendor patches, because many crashes stem from known bugs fixed in updates. Finally, if the settings app still crashes, contact the device maker or consider flashing official stock firmware. That replaces corrupted system files. One troubleshooting tip: test with a new user profile. If it works, the problem is profile specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.